You know, I actually have a dinosaur ornament in my tree. Not at the
Does
second.
it look this good?
It doesn't look that good, no.
Yeah.
Hi everyone, it's Miss Kate.
And Miss Hazel.
Back together again for the third part of our Make an Ornament series.
Mm-hmm. It's snowflakey, kind of. Also maybe looks like a man. I don't know. It's pipe cleaners and beads, and that's what we thought we could inspire you with. Pipe cleaners and beads. So
I'm using brand new pipe cleaners that have not been bent up. Well, Hazel's going to use.
just found this pile of these pipe cleaners, which somebody made something cool, but I'm going to see if I can't repurpose it. Look at this fun stripy pipe cleaners I found. I'm going to put some beads on it and see what it ends up looking like.
Okay, and I'm going to take, I cut these ones already, but I'm taking a pipe cleaner and cutting it in half. I bent it and then I'm going to cut it in half. So otherwise I have a giant one. When I'm going to make mine, I'm going to twist them together so that they stay. And then I'll do one more.
It's just going to be sort of freestyle art is what I'm going to do.
That's great.
I'm not going to try to go with a pattern. If you can see into our bead box for the kids, like there's little rubber bands in here, there's big giant beads.
People are super helpful when they clean up the floor. Yeah, like everything gets cleaned up. And it all kind of goes into one bin.
Perfect. Thanks everybody for helping us clean up.
Yeah, it's good.
We do kind of a little wackadoodly-doo thing with this. And make a little twisty at the end of it.
Okay,
Well,
and
it's
I'm going
just
to
gonna
just
be
keep
fun.
putting some beads on. No definite pattern, just putting some on because I like the colors.
Oh, it could be one of those ones, you know, have some ornaments actually hang and some ornaments just sit on top of the branches. Oh, they look like feet.
They do look like beads.
It looks like almost like it's turning into a dinosaur. This is one of those other things that I think could be really fun with the family. It could just be out at the table. But make sure you clean them up after you're done, because if you were in your socks and you stepped on one of these beads, you know what you would say?
Ow.
That's
What do you think? That's what I would say.
That's exactly what I would say.
Although, to be honest, I might say cheese and crackers. Ooh, left this on the floor.
Okay, I am really not exactly sure.
I
think that I might have to fashion mine into a dinosaur. Hang on, last minute change of dinosaur. Here's his head, there's his feet, his tail, and his little Tyrannosaurus Rex arms.
You know, I actually have a dinosaur ornament in my tree. Not at the
Does
second.
it look this good?
It doesn't look that good, no.
Yeah.
So
It's
here we
been
go.
really fun hanging out with you.
Okay, here we go. Ornaments out of beads and pipe cleaners.
Yeah, and
Okay,
hanging out with your friend.
you come hang out with us again.
Yeah.
We'll see you soon.
Merry
Bye.
Christmas, Happy Holidays.
Bye, everybody.
Bye, friends.